Is it recording? Yeah. Hey guys! My dad has visitors downstairs. They're probably like, what the f is this girl doing in her room all alone? But hey everyone! Welcome to my channel! No. But hey guys! Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you are already subscribed. If you're not subscribed, I make self-improvement content, pole dancing content, and beauty videos. So if you guys are interested in that stuff, then feel free to hit that subscribe button or give me a like. Today's video is going to be a beauty related video. I'm kind of excited for this because I have made a video like this, like a tutorial kind of voiceover style makeup video in the past, and I really enjoyed the process of making it, like editing it and stuff. Editing is so satisfying. That was the Harley Quinn Halloween look tutorial thingy, but today is going to be a kind of like a daily makeup routine video. And now I know some people might not feel like what I'm wearing is like a daily look, but I mentioned this in the outro actually. I'm used to colors, like colorful makeup looks. Like I go out daily in that even. Like I don't care if my eyes are rainbows, I'll still go to the grocery store. So yeah, this is kind of a daily look for me because it's more neutral colors, and I am kind of happy how this turned out. This is usually what I do, especially using that Tartelette palette, like that shade range that I use on my eyes. I usually do that if I want to do more like neutral everyday look. I don't know, I should not be doing those intros because I just get like out of breath and like, but I kind of do it to pump myself up because I don't know, I want to be like, I want to be high energy. Not that I'm not high energy like normally, but I want to be a little bit extra energy when I'm filming, because if not, why the fuck would you watch it? Anyways, so yeah, I guess I'm just gonna get going, showing you guys how I go from this to this. I'm just kidding. I'm just gonna let you guys watch the video. Have fun. So to start off, you obviously want to wash your face. Here's me trying to demonstrate how to wash your face. Next, you're gonna want to get your hair out of the way, so I'm just using a scrunchie to get my hair out of my way, as one does. Next, I just use this eye gel by Trine's Wardrobe, I think it is. And yeah, it's kind of like a gel, so I think I just said that. But yeah, it's kind of cooling and nice in the morning. Then I like to moisturize my face with this aloe water thingy. It's like a gel too. It's just nice and cooling, kind of wakes you up in the morning. Now I like to let it dry for a bit before I put anything else on. Oh my god, that's just the most horrible face you've ever seen probably. Now over to moisturizing my lips. I'm using the EOS lip balm. Also, by the way, all the products will be listed in the description bar below, just so you guys know. For primer, I always use a green based primer because I'm really prone to red skin, so I'm just using one by Max Factor. I think it's a European brand. So I usually just use my fingers to apply primer, clean fingers, hands, those things that we use to do stuff. Next step is foundation, and I just cannot get over how dead inside I look. Hello darkness, my old friend. Next I use my beauty blender to beauty blend it out. I love that word. I was having problems getting out some of the product because I'm almost empty, so I started just using the thingy, yeah, I don't know what it's called. The thing you can see right now. And then I just dab that in there. I don't know what I'm doing, okay? Just dabbing away, you know? So my camera decided to stop recording, but I did just use this instant anti-age eraser thingy majiggy on my under eyes and like the hair, and then I beauty blended it out, but obviously I didn't record that, so yeah. Back to voiceover me. Now for covering up like pimples or whatever, red marks, I like to use a thicker concealer, so I'm using the one by Kat Von D. I think it's just called a Lock It concealer. This one's really like thick. Just like me. Just kidding. And then we dab that out. Dab, 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 dab. Why are you watching this? An essential step to getting smoothly applied makeup is to use a setting powder, and I'm using one by Isadora. Again, I think this is a European brand. Hi, I'm from Norway if you're new here. I'm just using this EcoTools brush to put it on my face. And yeah, it helps the contour go on really well, and you know, all the other shit that you put on your face. So, pro tip if you're new to makeup. Next, I contour my face using the Shade and Light palette by Kat Von D. I can't talk. And this Ultimate Blending Brush by e.l.f. I'm going to be using the lightest color of brown to contour because, I don't know if you could tell, but I'm pale as fuck. So I'm just kind of doing the, I guess the, like, I almost said letter free, but the, like, you know, number free. Yes, Marin, that is called a number. Okay, I'm gonna go. Then I like to use this banana shade color, yellow shade, to kind of highlight. I don't know if it's technically a highlighter, but it just kind of highlights a little bit, or like makes it lighter. It just helps bring forward the contour. And for this, I'm using the Shade and Light palette brush, the one that's supposed to belong to it. I then like to just kind of blend everything with this EcoTools brush. Then a very essential step is to stick your tongue out like a cow and drink some coffee, just, you know, for energy. Very essential. Now moving on to eyes, I'm just zooming in here, and I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. I've been using this for years. Yeah, just applying it as one does. Then I actually like to set my primer potion with a setting powder. I don't see everyone, like every beauty guru doing this, but I learned it somewhere. I don't know where. But yeah, it's just a white colored one. I don't like using this all over my face because it has this white cast, but it's fine for eyeshadow stuff. Now for eyeshadow, I love this Tartelette palette because it has a lot of basic colors and they're not shimmery, so it's very good for like people who want, you know, an everyday look that isn't super in your face. So here I'm just gonna go in with the color Natural Beauty, which you totally can't see because my palette's dirty as fuck, with this fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just going in my crease with that. Then I'm gonna go in with this light pink white caregiver color. And I'm just using this brush that I got with the Naked 2 palette. I don't have the palette anymore, but I love this brush. And I just like to put it all over my lid to kind of brighten up my eyes, as I'm doing in the video. Then I'm using this darker shade called Best Friends in my corners. I should know this. Why am I doing a tutorial? That where you could see it in the video. Just to create some dimension, as one does with eyeshadow. It's in the word. I'm just going to take this moment to say, if you're new here and you haven't heard this before, I'm literally just having fun with makeup. I'm not an expert. I am just having fun. Hence why I don't know all the terminology. I'm like a beauty guru, but I'm not a beauty guru. Like, I make videos, but I don't feel like a beauty guru, so don't be too hard on me. Then I'm going to take that same Naked 2 brush, and I'm going to be matching my lower line to my upper line. And as you can see, I'm pointing to the wrong color. I meant to point at the Best Friend color, the one to the left. And I'm putting that color just right on my under eye, on the corner. Yeah, where I'm doing it in the video. I can't describe it, okay? Then I'm going to take that middle color called Natural Beauty, and I'm going to put that in the middle so that it matches the top. Then proceeding to take the light color Caregiver and, you know, put that on the inner corner so that it matches the top. It just kind of makes your look more complete. The lookity look. Next, I'm going to take my new favorite palette, Jawbreaker by Jeffree Star, and I'm going to brighten up my inner corner with the color Jawbreaker. No, I'm not doing that. I'm putting it on my eyebrow bones. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm going to take the color Virgin and actually put it in my inner corner. If you're new here, I like to keep it real on this channel, so if I fail, I'll usually keep it in the video, just because I don't like it to be super scripted and perfect, because guess what? I'm not perfect, like, at all. So, yeah, I'm going to keep most of my mistakes in there. If not, it's going to be at the end of the video. For eyeliner, I'm using my absolute favorite eyeliner, Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D. I swear by this. It is the shit. I love it. It is, yes, I cannot do anything else. And yeah, I'm just doing my eyeliner. This took forever to do, but the editing makes it look like I'm just a pro. So as you can see at this point, they aren't entirely symmetrical, so I did go in and try to fix them, but they didn't end up being ever that symmetrical. But I argue that once you put mascara on, it's better. So here we go. I love this mascara by Essence. It's I Love Extreme Volume, I think. It's going to be in the description, but I love this one. I use it just for my upper lashes though, and I usually go in with 2 coats of this mascara. Then for lower lashes, I use this Max Volume Plus by Wet n Wild, just because the brush is way more manageable and smaller, and it is, I believe this one's waterproof. It's just more handy for my lower lashes. I don't like using a huge brush on lower lashes. So pro tip, I feel like I've said that a million times in this video. I sound like such a hip person, I guess. Moving on to highlighter, I somehow managed to look even more dead inside in this clip than I did in the previous one.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out.
On a serious note, or I guess somewhat not really that serious, but I do use the Wet n Wild highlighting powder. Very creative name, highlighting powder. I could not have come up with a better name myself. I am using the Kat Von D brush on the non-angled side. Then I'm just blending everything. Another pro tip is to blend like everything. Literally blend everything. Just blend.
Just
blend it!
don't let your
Makeup. Shit. Now it's time for one of my favorite parts, just because I get to say spoolie. If you know me well, I love the name or the word spoolie. I'm gonna spoolie my eyebrows. I love that word. Like, I'm gonna spoolie my eyebrow. I'm just spoolieing. What are you doing? What's up? I'm just spoolieing. Just kidding. So moving on to just spooling my eyebrows, just as one does with a spoolie. For the final step, I'm going to be using NYX Lingerie in the color Embellishment on my lips. I love these liquid lipsticks. They're pretty cheap and good. Now the fun part about doing a tutorial with a voiceover is that I can jam out while I'm doing my makeup and film. So here I am, just, you know, jamming. Now at the end, you obviously want to take your hair out, and I'm about to fix my hair soon, as I will say in non-voiceover me. That is after some more obligatory jamming out. It's essential to your makeup routine, trust me, just kidding. So now, I just gotta do my hair. Hopefully that transition worked, because my hair might have just gotten fucked up by that. But I am done with this makeup look, and I know for some people this might not be like a daily makeup look, because I don't know, like I guess maybe the colors are a bit dark, but I'm used to doing, sorry, I gotta fix my hair. I feel like it's all over the place now. Okay, there. I'm used to doing like colored makeup looks, like rainbow looks, I don't know, blue, pink, whatever, colors, like colors, like Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette colors. So this is like a daily kind of look for me, even though I still go out in colors, like on it, like, you know, anything is daily to me. Like, I think makeup is like art to me, so I'm not afraid of going out with rainbow eyes, like to the grocery store, but that's just me. Some people don't want to do that, and that's also totally fine. Like, I guess it brings attention to you, but I don't really care if people look at me.
Don't look at me.
Anywho, oh yeah, I also want to show you guys my outfit, because I feel like this like matches. I'll put a clip in here of my outfit. I love these pants. Anyone who knows me, or I probably have a lot of pictures of it on my Instagram account, because they're just so comfortable, and I cannot go back to my like tight jeans. These are mom jeans, and they just fit so nice. Usually I have this issue with jeans because I have a bigger butt and a small waist, but these are mom jeans that actually fit. Like, I don't get that gap. I'll show you a picture here of what I mean. Anyways, love these jeans, and I feel like I just feel so put together. Like, I don't know. Now I want to go do something, but I have like no friends and no life, so. Actually, I'm getting an MRI scan today, but I mean, it's not like I dressed up to do that. But anyways, I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want me to do any more like tutorial or like makeup look style videos other than Motivation Makeup Monday, or any kind of makeup or beauty related thing you guys want to see. I do want to include at the end of this video a comment I got, a top comment, and this is from, let's see, I gotta find it here. This is from, oh my god, I'm so sorry, I'm not gonna be able to pronounce this. This is from Humanoid Chica? Humanoid Chica is probably what it is. But she says, I love how genuine and real you are. I just started my pole journey and found you for your pole videos. I love your personality and have been contemplating starting a channel for years. I'm going to just do it finally. I'm so nervous. And comments like this is basically why I have my channel, because I don't know, I want to have an effect on people to where they want to do things that they want to do in their life, or like they do. I just want to inspire and motivate other people to live better lives, basically, and so it means a lot to me to hear this kind of feedback, and I just want to help you guys as much as I can. So I'm not going to read all of what I responded, but I just said, thank you for this comment, this is why I have this channel, and that I want to support her as much as I can in making her own channel, because I don't know what it is. I want people to, I feel like having my channel is, I'm trying to help people live their dreams, but I'm also in the process figuring out how I can live my dreams, if that makes sense. I don't know. That was a total tangent, but thank you so much for that comment. I hope that I continue to give you some sort of inspiration and motivation to start a channel or whatever, or
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
or whatever else it is you want to do, because that ultimately makes my life worth living if I can have an effect on someone, at least one person in this life. I don't know, that got really sappy, I'm so sorry. Anyways, if you guys did like this video, please give me a thumbs up or hit that subscribe button. That really helps me out. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else I want to say. Yeah, bye! Next, you just want to tie your hair back, or now for oh my god. Now for eyeshadow, I love this Tartelette palette because it has a lot of I can't talk. I'm gonna stop. Sadness aside, I'm using the Wet n Wild powder. Fuck, I cannot talk.